I think he's chasing after me. Well, that was close. Very. Matter of fact, I felt the blade almost towards my neck. Oh, brilliant! Smashing! Magnificent! It seems that this Leatherface is starting to really not like me at this moment. I've already thwarted him about 3 times. And I can tell you right now, I would hate me right now.